smiling while their girlfriends knelt to their laps. I go home all alone, I wish that I was better from to get a little taste of that. And it's driving me crazy. And then I start thinking that maybe I'm not so lovable, I'm not so wonderful, I'm not so beautiful inside. I'm not so confident, I feel so jagged in my life is a lie. And I'm so tired of being single. I could tell by the way she looked at me that she had a little crush upon my friend. Well, it's close enough for me, 'cause I'll take whatever I can